Can you talk about your English learning journey in English?
By the end of this episode, you can.
We will teach you smart tips. You will learn English faster.
And trust me, I learned the hard way.
Stay with us. This episode is going to change things for you.
Welcome to GFX English Learning Mentor channel.
Hello everyone. Welcome to GFX English Learning Mentor.
I am Alex, and I make mistakes. Lots of them.
And I am Emily. I ask the questions. Alex has the stories.
Too many stories.
If this is your first time here, welcome. We are so happy you found us.
And if you like learning English in a fun way, hit that subscribe button.
Yes, subscribe and like this video. It helps us a lot.
It tells YouTube, hey, these guys are good.
Okay, Alex, let's start. Today's topic, how to learn English smarter.
Not harder, smarter. Big difference.
Okay, Alex, first tip, listen to English every day.
Every single day.
Even 10 minutes is enough. It helps your brain.
Your brain gets used to the sounds. It becomes normal.
The word is exposure. E-X-P-O-U-S-R-E. Exposure.
Exposure means you hear it a lot. You see it a lot.
Like going outside in the sun. Your skin gets used to it.
I have a story about this.
Oh no, here we go.
When I started learning English, I listened to one song every day.
Just one song?
The same song. Every morning while I made coffee.
And did it help?
After 2 weeks, I knew every word, every single word.
That is exposure. Your brain heard it again and again.
Repetition. That is the next word. Repetition.
Repetition means doing something again and again.
Repetition. Say it slowly. Repetition.
Good. Repetition is your best friend in English learning. Okay, next tip. Speak out loud, even when you are alone.
This one is so important and a little funny.
Why funny?
Because I used to talk to my mirror every morning.
Your mirror?
Yes, I would look at myself and say, "Good morning, Alex, how are you?"
And what did the mirror say?
Nothing. The mirror is not that helpful.
But speaking out loud, it works. Here's why.
When you speak, your mouth practices, your brain practices.
It's like exercise for your mouth. We call it pronunciation practice.
Pronunciation. That is a big word.
It means how you say a word, the sound of the word.
If you only read English, that is not enough.
You have to speak it out loud every day.
Even alone, even to your mirror.
Here is tip 3. Use new words in sentences right away.
Do not just write the word, use it.
For example, if you learn the word nervous,
Nervous means you feel worried or scared.
do not just write nervous equals scared.
Say a sentence, I feel nervous before a test.
Or I feel nervous when I speak English.
I still feel nervous, but it gets better, I promise.
Making sentences helps your brain remember the word.
Remember, that means not forget.
If you just write the word, you forget it in 2 days.
But if you make a sentence, your brain holds it longer.
Okay, let's take a quick break. Time for our vocabulary recap.
These are the words we learned today, so far.
Word number 1, exposure.
Exposure, hearing or seeing something a lot.
Word 2, repetition.
Repetition, doing something again and again.
Word 3, pronunciation.
Pronunciation, how you say a word, the sounds.
Word 4, nervous.
Nervous, feeling worried or scared.
Word 5, remember.
Remember, to not forget something.
Great, now let's keep going. 2 more tips.
Okay, Emily, this tip is my favorite.
Tell me.
Make English part of your normal day, not just study time.
That is a great tip. Can you explain more?
Sure, change your phone to English.
Oh, that is smart.
Watch shows in English with English subtitles.
Not subtitles in your language, English subtitles.
This way, you read and listen at the same time.
You get double the exposure.
Also, think in English when you walk, when you eat.
Think about simple things. I am eating rice. It is hot.
Or I'm bored, I want to sleep.
Yes, any sentence in English in your head.
This is called thinking in English, and it is very powerful.
Powerful means very strong, very useful. And now, the most important tip of all.
Oh, I know this one very well.
Do not fear mistakes. Mistakes are okay.
I have made so many mistakes.
Tell us one, Alex.
Okay, one time I was in a shop in an English-speaking country.
What happened?
I wanted to say I am looking for shoes,
That sounds correct.
but I said I am cooking for shoes.
Cooking for shoes.
The shop lady looked at me like this.
What did you do?
I turned red and I ran out of the shop.
Oh, Alex.
But you know what? I never forgot looking after that day.
That is the lesson. Mistakes help you remember.
Do not be afraid. Mistakes are your teachers.
Okay, everyone. Now it is role play time.
Oh yes, I love this part.
Let's act out a real situation. Alex, you are a student. I am a teacher.
Okay, I am ready.
Hello. Do you have any questions about English learning?
Yes, I want to, remember words better.
Great question. Try this. Use new words in sentences every day.
Sentences? Like, I eat breakfast?
Exactly. Simple sentences are perfect. Do not make it hard.
Oh, and I can say, I feel nervous in English class.
Yes, that is perfect. You used nervous correctly.
I did it.
And one more thing. Speak out loud every day.
Even alone?
Even alone. Talk to your mirror.
My mirror is getting tired of me.
And that is how you have a real conversation.
See how easy that was? Simple words, short sentences.
You can do this too. Practice at home with a friend or your mirror.
The mirror never judges you.
Okay, Alex, give us your famous bonus tip.
Okay, this is my #1 tip.
Tell us.
Make a word diary, a small notebook.
A word diary?
Every day, write 3 new English words.
Just 3?
Just 3, not 30. 3.
That sounds easy.
It is easy, and easy means you will actually do it.
That is true.
Write the word, write the meaning, write 1 sentence.
And then, before you sleep, read the diary.
Just for 2 minutes. Your brain works while you sleep.
It is called consolidation. Your brain makes the memory stronger at night.
3 words a day, that's over 1,000 words in 1 year.
Wow, that is powerful.
Small steps every day, big results.
Okay, everyone, let's recap what we learned today.
Tip 1, listen to English every day. Get exposure.
Tip 2, speak out loud, even alone, even to your mirror.
Tip 3, use new words and sentences right away.
Tip 4, make English part of your daily life.
Tip 5, do not fear mistakes. They are your teachers.
And the bonus tip, keep a word diary, 3 words a day.
Small habits, big changes. That's the secret.
We believe in you. You can do this.
And remember, I still make mistakes every day, and I'm okay.
We all are. Now we have a question for you.
Yes, comment below and tell us,
What is your favorite way to learn English?
do you listen to music, watch shows, talk to a mirror?
Tell us in the comments. We read every single one.
And if you liked this episode, give it a thumbs up.
Subscribe to GFX English Learning Mentor so you never miss an episode.
Share this video with a friend who is learning English.
Together, we learn faster and better.
See you next time, everyone.
Bye-bye. Keep practicing.